How to change email address on Snapchat account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you can change your email address on Snapchat account. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step. What you'll need to do is open up your Snapchat. So locate your Snapchat app and then open it up. After you open up your Snapchat, so tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. And after you do that, tap on your gear icon that you will find on the top right. After you do that, you will be on your settings. So after you're on your settings, head over to My Account. Tap on My Account. And under Change My Info, you'll find Email. So tap on Email and you will now make it editable. All you now have to do is enter out your new email address. So let's do that. Then you can tap on the Save button. After you do that, so let me make sure that your email has not been taken by some other user. Then tap on Save. You will need to enter your password of your Snapchat and then your email will be changed. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye-bye. Take care.